Think your pickup truck is just a bed and four wheels? Think again. Today, we're looking at the inventions that are officially turning the humble workhorse into a Swiss Army knife on steroids. We're talking about gear that makes you look like a genius at the job site and a legend at the campsite. Centurion Canopy, Utemaster. First up, let's talk about the Centurion Canopy by Utemaster. Most canopies are basically just plastic hats for your truck bed that make it harder to reach your gear. Not this one. This is constructed from high-grade aluminum, but the real wow factor hits the moment you unlock the sides. It features massive gull-wing doors that provide full-width access to your tools. Imagine pulling up to a job and having your entire organized workshop revealed in seconds, protected from the rain by the doors themselves. It's got a 600-pound dynamic load rating, meaning you can throw a rooftop tent or a massive ladder rack on top without breaking a sweat. It's rugged, it's secure, and it makes every other fiberglass canopy look like a toy. Hydraulic insert, Ezzy dumper. Ever tried to shovel 2 tons of gravel out of a truck bed by hand? Your lower back is probably screaming just thinking about it. That's where the Easy Dumper hydraulic insert comes in. This is a steel or stainless steel bed within a bed that turns any standard pickup into a heavy-duty dump truck. With the press of a button, the hydraulic scissor lift engages, tilting the insert to a 45-degree angle in seconds. Watching a standard F-150 or Silverado effortlessly slide a massive load of mulch or stone onto the ground is incredibly satisfying. It's got a 600-pound dynamic load rating, meaning you can throw a rooftop tent or a massive ladder rack on top without breaking a sweat. It's rugged, it's secure, and it makes every other fiberglass canopy look like a toy. Slide-out kitchen, Rivian R1T. If you prefer the overlanding life over the construction life, the Rivian R1T camp kitchen is the stuff of dreams. Rivian took the dead space between the cab and the rear wheels, known as the gear tunnel, and turned it into a masterpiece of engineering. A massive shuttle slides out to reveal a high-tech induction stove, a 4-gallon water tank with a sink, and a full 30-piece kitchen set. It's powered directly from the truck's massive battery pack, meaning no propane, no open flames, and no hassle. Whether you're making coffee at a trailhead or searing steaks in the middle of the desert, this is the most James Bond way to cook dinner in the wilderness. Dual-action tailgate, Honda Ridgeline. Now, let's talk about a feature that makes every truck owner do a double take, the Honda Ridgeline's dual-action tailgate. At first glance, it looks like any other tailgate, dropping down traditionally to extend your bed length. But then comes the "wait, what?" moment. Grab the hidden handle at the bottom, and the entire unit swings open like a door on a massive side-mounted hinge. Why does this matter? Because it lets you step right up to the bumper to reach deep into the bed without leaning over a 2-foot gate. It's a total game changer for loading heavy groceries or reaching that one tool that rolled all the way to the front. It's one of those "why doesn't everyone do this" inventions that makes living with a truck 10 times easier. Pro Power Onboard, Ford F-150. If you've ever hauled a heavy, gas-guzzling generator to a job site or a campsite, the Ford F-150's Pro Power Onboard system is going to feel like magic. Ford turned the entire truck into a mobile power plant. Depending on the model, you get up to 7.2 kilowatts of exportable power through outlets built directly into the bed walls. We're talking about running a full-size miter saw, a jackhammer, or even a high-end espresso machine and a flat-screen TV simultaneously. It's quiet, it's integrated, and it's powerful enough to jump-start a neighbor's house during a blackout. It effectively turns your truck bed into a high-voltage command center that never needs a pull start. Eco-trailer, swivel wheel. Reversing with a trailer usually the ultimate test of patience and a great way to start an argument with your spotter. But the swivel wheel eco-trailer fixes the biggest headache in towing, jackknifing. Unlike a traditional trailer that pivots on a single ball hitch, this system uses a dual-point hitch that locks the trailer's frame to the truck's bumper. The wheels rotate 360 degrees, meaning it tracks perfectly in line with your truck. When you go backward, the trailer goes exactly where the truck goes. It's the perfect solution for hauling a golf cart, a motorcycle, or extra gear without the stress of snake-tailing on the highway or struggling in a tight parking lot. It's basically a bed extension on wheels that refuses to misbehave.
Load slide tray, HSP/Isuzu. We've all been there. You need that one toolbox that somehow slid all the way to the cab, and now you're crawling on your hands and knees in a dirty truck bed. The HSP Load Slide is the cure for the truck bed crawl. It's a heavy-duty retractable platform that brings your entire cargo area to you. With a simple click of the handle, the tray slides out on a reinforced roller system, allowing you to access up to 550 pounds of gear at waist height. Whether it's heavy generators or a week's worth of camping supplies, you can pull it all out with just one finger. It features multiple locking points, so you can keep it partially extended while you work, effectively doubling your usable workspace. XD Wheel Lift. Minuteman. This next one is for the stealth fans out there. The Minuteman XD Wheel Lift is an invention that turns an ordinary heavy-duty pickup into a fully functional tow truck in under 30 seconds. The genius is in the concealment. When it's not in use, the lift folded away neatly under the chassis, leaving your bed completely open for normal hauling. But when a job pops up, the hydraulic arms slide out and expand. You don't even have to get out of the cab to hook up a car. You just back up, hit the controls, and the self-loading arms grab the tires and lift. It's the ultimate tool for quick recoveries or repossession, turning your daily driver into a professional-grade moneymaker. Unloading mat. Celely. If the hydraulic dump bed we mentioned earlier is a bit out of your budget, the Celely unloading mat is the low-tech, high-impact solution you need. It's essentially a heavy-duty conveyor belt for your truck bed. You lay the heavy-duty fabric mat down before loading up with gravel, soil, or logs. When you reach your destination, you simply attach a heavy-duty crank handle to the rear roller and start turning. It creates a mechanical advantage that allows one person to roll up to 2,000 pounds of material right off the tailgate effortlessly. No shovels, no sore shoulders, and no mess left behind. It's simple, it's cheap, and it works every single time. V-Plow System. Boss. Snow Dog. When the snow starts piling up, most people stay inside. But with the Boss V-Plow system strapped to your front end, you'll be looking for any excuse to get out there. This isn't just a flat piece of steel, it's a multi-positional powerhouse. With the flick of a controller, the hydraulics give you that incredibly satisfying snap as the blades shift from a V shape to a straight blade or a wide scoop. The V position is perfect for punching through deep frozen snowdrifts, while the scoop mode acts like a giant hand, gathering massive amounts of snow to pile it high. It's heavy-duty, it's fast, and it turns your daily driver into the ultimate winter warrior. Canvas Truck Tent. Kodiak Canvas. If you've ever slept on the ground in a flimsy nylon tent, you know the struggle. The Kodiak Canvas Truck Tent changes the game by turning your cold, hard truck bed into a cozy cabin on wheels. Unlike those cheap plastic tents that flap in the wind, this is made from 100% cotton duck canvas with a Hydra Shield finish. It's breathable, bone-dry in a storm, and remarkably quiet. The design uses a unique tunnel system that allows you to set it up without even touching the ground. You get a massive interior with 5 feet of head clearance, turning your pickup into a luxury base camp that's elevated away from the mud, the bugs, and the uneven terrain.
Bravo 2 Cage, 454 Motorsports. For the off-road junkies who want that Baja 1000 aesthetic, the Bravo 2 Cage by 454 Motorsports is the ultimate bed upgrade. This isn't just for show, it's an aggressive, trophy truck-style tire carrier that mounts directly into your bed. It holds dual full-size spare tires at a leaned-back angle, giving your truck a wide, mean stance that screams high-speed desert runner. Beyond the looks, it keeps your spares secure during high-impact jumps and rough trails, while still leaving room underneath the rack for storage bins and gear. It's the quickest way to take your truck from stock commuter to hardcore pre-runner without a full custom fabrication job. Saber Pro Z Tent 23-0. If you're tired of fumbling with tent poles in the dark, the Saber Pro Z tent from 23.0 is about to become your new best friend. This is a hard-shell rooftop tent that uses a revolutionary Z-style lift mechanism. While most tents require a multi-step process to unfold, this thing pops up in under 5 seconds. One flick of the latches and the gas struts do all the heavy lifting, expanding the shell into a massive aerodynamic living space. It's built with light suppression technology, meaning you can sleep in until noon in total darkness, even in the desert sun. It's sleek, it's lightning fast, and it makes every other camper at the site look like they're playing with Lincoln Logs. Hunting conversion. Toyota LC79. For the serious outdoorsman, the Toyota LC79 hunting conversion is a masterclass in specialized engineering. This isn't just a truck with a gun rack, it's a purpose-built safari machine. The highlight here is the custom hydromic seating system that rises directly out of the flatbed. With the flip of a switch, high-back captain's chairs, complete with rifle rests, elevate to give you a 360-degree vantage point over the brush. It often includes integrated game frames and winches to make loading a heavy harvest effortless. It takes the legendary reliability of a Land Cruiser and turns it into a high-tech observation deck that would make a military scout jealous.
Multiflex Midgate Silverado EV. The Silverado EV's Multiflex Midgate is the ultimate transformer moment for modern pickups. For decades, the wall between the cab and the bed was permanent. Not anymore. Chevy designed this so the entire back wall of the cab disappears. You can fold down the rear seats and the midgate to create a continuous floor that stretches from the dashboard to the tailgate. This allows you to fit items up to 11 feet long while keeping them protected from the elements. It's a genius piece of packaging that gives you the interior comfort of an SUV with the hauling capacity of a commercial van. It's the kind of innovation that makes you realize that traditional truck bed was just the beginning. Aluminum tray, Norweld. If you want to turn your truck into the ultimate dream rig, you need to ditch the factory bed and look at a Norweld aluminum tray. This isn't just a flatbed, it's a masterclass in Australian off-road engineering. Built from high-grade, shiny aluminum, it's lighter and tougher than steel, meaning you can carry more gear without stressing your suspension. But the real genius is in the hidden features. We're talking about integrated 40-liter water tanks tucked into the headboard and under-tray toolboxes that use the dead space behind your wheels. It's modular, it's rust-proof, and it gives your truck that ready-for-an-expedition look that stops traffic. It's pure, functional eye candy for any serious overlander. In-bed trunk, Honda. Honda is back on the list because they've mastered the art of hidden space. Underneath the floor of the Ridgeline's bed lies a lockable, weatherproof in-bed trunk. This is the ultimate secret compartment that keeps your valuable tools or gear out of sight and away from thieves. But here's the kicker. It comes with a built-in drain plug. That means on game day, you can skip the bulky plastic cooler, fill the entire trunk with ice and drinks, and have the world's best tailgating setup. When the party's over, just pull the plug and let the water drain out onto the pavement. It's simple, brilliant, and makes you wonder why every truck doesn't have a basement.
Multi-Pro Tailgate. Finally, we have the final boss of truck engineering, the GMC Multi-Pro Tailgate. This is 6-way mechanical origami at its absolute finest. It's a standard tailgate, sure, but it also transforms into a standing desk for your laptop, a load stop for extra long timber, and even a full-width step that can support 375 pounds. You can even drop the inner gate to get closer to the bed for easier loading. It's a Swiss Army knife made of steel and aluminum that proves the back of your truck can be more than just a door. It can be a workstation, a ladder, and a safety net all in one. It's the ultimate mic drop for pickup truck innovation. From hidden kitchens to hydraulic dump beds, these inventions prove that the pickup truck is no longer just a vehicle, it's a platform for pure human ingenuity. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional contractor, there is a gadget out there designed to make your life easier, faster, and a whole lot cooler. Which one of these would you put on your dream rig? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of truck tech, and subscribe to Gadget Burst for more high-octane gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.